So I am in the middle of doing my hair, but while I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna let you in on. What's going on? Gotta turn Glam Levante in the background down. A little secret, light skin girl secret. Okay, so I do have a mustache, right? No makeup on, skin looks crazy. Time in a month just passed. Anywho, the secret is instead of actually shaving my mustache, I actually dye it. So I use this hair cream by Sally's. So you're gonna catch it. It comes with powder to develop it, but I ran out of powder, so I'm actually gonna use hair bleach to do it. Oh, my skin looks bad. Why is this camera so clear? Anyway, so I'm gonna use this to take care of my mustache. I need a little bit. You want to leave this on for about no more than 10 minutes. It'll probably be done in like 5 though. Once it starts burning, take it off. Okay.
Fear of being rejected. You can ask for what you need without guilt or self-judgment, and you can choose to follow your heart always and live with inner peace and happiness.
Okay, so
that was the second agreement.
I'm wondering why I have this on my face.
I definitely feel like that's something that has been helping me with being better. I feel like even with like friendships, relationships, meeting people, subscribers, people commenting, I don't take anything personally. Because I know that when people say things, it directly has nothing to do with me. So for example, when I get a lot of hateful comments about people saying like smart stuff to me, I used to take it so personal and get so mad and get so irritated. I wanted to comment back. I wanted to stick up for myself. I wanted to know people not to play with me. But they were commenting and I was wanting to comment back because I was wanting to prove something. And then when I realized that these people, think about it with me, I personally do not get up on a fake page, comment hurtful things to people, projecting my own insecurities. That's me trying to make somebody else feel bad because I feel that bad about myself. Like, I'm not going to do that. Before I comment something negative,
And I literally went to sleep. And that was like, maybe like 7:45, 8. And I had the bonnet on. Look, I didn't even tie my hair for real. I just been here knocked the fuck out. Like, tired. Well, I'm not even tired. And I tried to go back to sleep, and I was like, bitch, I really can't go back to sleep. So, I'm gonna go with y'all.
Yeah, the name of the squad is how you niggas know we came to born SWAT.